Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to make basic stitches. So the first thing that you have to know how to do is a slip knot. To make a slip knot, grab your yarn, hold this like this, go around your finger twice, bring this one to the front, now bring the other one, pull, and this is a slip knot. Now make this tight but not too tight so you have a space to insert the hook. Go around the yarn, pull and go to the loop. Again repeat. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this is how you made the beginning, the chains. Now the next stitch that you should know is a single crochet. Most of the time the patterns will tell you to begin on the third chain from the hook or the second one. I am going to make the first single crochet on the third chain from the hook. Insert the hook, pull the yarn. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. Go around the yarn again, pull and go through 2, and that is a single crochet. Again, insert the hook, pull, go through the chain. You have 2 loops on your hook. Go around the yarn again and go through the 2 loops. I will show you one more time. If you need to see this step slower, you can change the settings for the video. Okay, insert the hook, pull. You have 2 loops on your hook. Go around the yarn again and go through 2 loops. Okay, so I will continue a little faster so I can show you the next stitch. Chain 1. Now turn your work and we are going to make half double crochet. To make a half double crochet, which is a stitch a little higher than this one, like taller, go around the hook once, insert the hook, pull the yarn, and you have three loops on your hook, and go around the yarn again and go through all the 3 loops on the hook, and that's a half double crochet. Again, go around the yarn once, insert the hook, and go through the 3 loops on your hook. Okay, one more time. Go around the hook, insert the hook, and go around the yarn again and go through all the 3 loops on your hook. Okay, the last time I will just show you a slow. Okay, so that's how you make a half double crochet. Now I will go faster so I can show you the next stitch. Okay, the next stitch will be a double crochet. Chain 1, turn. You can chain 1 or 2 for the double crochet, just to begin. Okay, go around the hook once, insert the hook into the stitch, pull the yarn. You have 3 loops on your hook, but you will go around the yarn again, go through only 2, and you have 2 loops on your hook left. Go around the yarn again and go through the last 2 loops. One more time. I'm just showing you this time slower. Like that. Okay, one more time. Go around the yarn, insert the hook, pull, go through 2 and go through the other 2. Last time that I will show you, go around the yarn, insert the hook, pull the yarn, go through 2 loops, go around the yarn again and go through the last 2 loops. Okay, now I will go faster to finish this row. And these are called rows, not rounds. Rounds are those where you go around. I'm so used to work with rounds, so maybe I said rounds before, but it is rows. Okay, now let's make a triple crochet or treble crochet. Chain 2. For this one you can chain 2 or chain 3 at the beginning. Okay, turn, go around the hook twice, insert the hook, pull the yarn, and you have 4 loops on your hook. Go through 2, go through 2 and go through the last 2. Again, go around the yarn twice, insert the hook, pull the yarn, go through 2, go through 2 and go through the last 2. The last time, go around the yarn twice, insert the hook, go through 2, go through the other 2 and go through the last 2. Okay, I will show you a little slower this time. Okay, so I will finish the last stitches. So I can show you the difference. So you can see this is single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, triple crochet or treble crochet, just like we did right here. This is single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet and triple crochet. You can see how the same number of stitches look different when you use a different stitch. I hope that you like this small tutorial. Please let me know in the comments if you would like to see another stitch. Thank you. Bye bye.